kind of arrest warrant would you recognize? I mean,
In the Senate,
in the Senate with respect to the
Philippine court.
Philippine court.
Philippine court or a Supreme Court decision saying that a ICC warrant is as good as a Philippine court warrant, because in my view, in the Pangasinan versus Cayetano case, nakalagay doon that if any provision or any treaty is against the Constitution shall prevail. And the Philippine Constitution said that the only valid warrant is a warrant of arrest from a Philippine judge. And the Philippine Constitution said that the only valid warrant is a warrant of arrest from a Philippine judge. And the Philippine Constitution said that the only
Valid warrant is a warrant of arrest from a Philippine judge.
Iyan ang Republic Act 9851, yung
Yes.
Crime Against Humanity Act natin. Iyan ang tulay natin doon sa international law. Anong sinasabi niyang Republic Act na yan?
Yun.
Section 17.
Sige, okay.
Kung nililitis o nag-iimbestiga na ang isang international tribunal sa isang taong may paratang na gumawa siya ng crime against humanity, ang gobyerno ng Pilipinas pwede nang pahintulutan yung international tribunal na yon na ituloy na ang investigasyon at ituloy na ang paglilitis, at kung kinakailangan, pwedeng gawin ng Philippine government na dalhin doon ang akusado. So ibig sabihin, yung Republic Act 9851 ang tulay natin sa international law na tinatanggap na ng ating Constitution. Ngayon, pagdating sa ating Constitution, sinabi naman na walang taong pwedeng dakipin maliban na lang kung may warrant of arrest na in-issue ng judge. Tingnan natin mabuti ang provision na yon. Sapagkat yung katagang judge, hindi naman distinguished. Hindi naman sinasabing local judge, foreign judge.
Sapagkat yung katagang judge, hindi naman distinguished. Hindi naman sinasabing local judge, foreign judge.
Local judge, foreign judge.
Kung ganyan ang sinasabi, judge lang, ibig sabihin, whether local or foreign. At sapagkat nga tinatanggap natin ang jurisdiction ng isang international tribunal kung nag-iimbestiga na sila ng isang crime against humanity, ayun na, yung judge doon pwedeng mag-issue ng warrant of arrest. Kaya magduduplicate lang. Kung dadalhin pa natin sa korte dito at hihingi ng warrant of arrest, redundant. Kaya hindi na kailangan talagang kumuha ng warrant of arrest.
Kaya hindi na kailangan talagang kumuha ng warrant of arrest.